Sorry.
Yes. I believe you all have gone through wireless and wired connections, the advantages and disadvantages of both. Yes. Sunil, why don't you share some lights on the disadvantages and advantages of wireless connections?
Advantages are that you can you can share internet with anyone, and there's no wire in your
share
house.
the seat. Yes.
Okay, one of the biggest advantages is that you get freedom from wires in your house. So you don't have to you don't have to take your Ethernet cable from one room to another room.
Okay.
So that's one. Another fact is that nowadays the majority of the devices that people are using, no matter you talk about Kindle, you talk about iPad, you talk about BlackBerry phones, they are all wireless enabled.
Right.
So if you have things like wireless devices at your place like Superhub or Hub, which are providing wireless connectivity, why don't you use them? So
Sure.
with the similar kind of equipment, you're accessing internet on the devices that you have at your place.
Any drawbacks?
Drawback, nothing much, but yeah, one would be if the moment if you are away from that particular equipment from the super or the wireless connection really drops, and that's
Goes down.
it becomes intermittent or it becomes slow speed. So, yeah, that's what.
Maybe no connection.
Fair enough. Ram, why don't you give me some advantages and disadvantages of wired connection?
Well, first of all, one is which Sunil said, which is, you can say, an advantage of a wired connection, that the connection is more solid.
Exactly.
I mean, you will not find issues like an intermittent connection with a wired connection. Second, I believe that the wired connections are more secured in terms of connectivity.
Very nice. I'll let me ask. You're saying it's very secured when I have a wired connection. Now, Dhruv and Parak, can you both help me out with the security concern that might come up when we talk about wireless connection, and how do we go ahead and take care of that for our customers?
In wireless connection, anyone wireless.
Wireless, I got my, sorry.
Anyone can try and access your system if he is aware about the password. So that's the biggest security threat which you have in wireless connection. So make sure you keep your password safe and secure so that no one else can access it except you.
Why don't you rather change it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will result into slow speed or
Yeah.
Ram, what's your take on it?
Yeah, absolutely. Because when it comes to the security concern, I mean, you might find customers calling in that, well, I believe that somebody else is also using my broadband because my speed is getting slow and I'm not using the internet. So, likewise, as I said, that's the advantage the wired connection will always have over the wireless connection. Yes, absolutely, they can continuously change their passwords and keep them safe and secure. They're not sharing with other people. So this is something which can be done. The other thing which I want to say is that, I mean, using a wired connection will have its own pros and cons, and same goes with wireless. So I think it has to be a blend of both. For example, if you have a kid at home who has a gaming console, he wants to play games on Xbox or PlayStations. So I would rather suggest them using a wired connection because it will provide them with a better connectivity. And if I'm using my laptop, I'm sitting in my drawing room, so I would rather prefer a wireless connection. So it has to be a blend of both, of a wired and a wireless connection in a house. But it depends upon the device that I'm using.
Very nice. Now, you brought a very nice thing. With an Xbox, you would like to have a wired connection.
Yes,
any specific reasons?
Speed. The speed and the connection will be more solid.
As a trade-off on Xbox, you end up using the online games. You don't want any any lagging
Exactly.
in the online
Exactly.
experience. That's why.
Yes, that's something that those who use Xboxes would know, because if you have a wireless connection,
Thing drops.
you're going to be dead by the time you're ready to fire. Very nice, guys. You guys have done a very nice job looking into what all you have come up with. Now, user ID and password, every customer who is using a wireless connection would definitely have a user ID and a password. It's very important that they keep it secure. They obviously get a company issued a default password, but yes, they are always advised to go ahead and change it. So it's always advisable to go ahead and have the password changed. Now, quick question: how do I come to know about it? Or rather, where do I look for it? It's always on the machine. It's always on the machine. So any machine that you have,
I believe it's at the back of the device.
correct.
Get all other information.
Right.
on the-
So the default password will always be there. So always advisable, if you're using a wireless connection, please go ahead and change it. Very nice.